Snapchat dark mode on Android. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easily you can turn your Snapchat in dark mode. So for that, launch your Snapchat. Get logged into your Snapchat account, then tap onto your Bitmoji on your top left-hand side. As you do so, you will see a profile page. Here you have to tap on Settings on your top right-hand side. And under Settings, scroll below until you see the option of App Appearance. You will see it under First Menu option, so tap onto it. And here you will see 4 options. One is Match System, Always Light, Always Dark. Tap on Always Dark, and now even though your system is white, your Snapchat will be dark. Just like so guys, if you would like to change your app appearance again, repeat the same process. And that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.